Right, let's go over homework 2.7, number 7. Right, so we want to take the derivative using the definition. Right, so let's do that. So f prime of a is equal to limit as h approaches 0. Right, so big fraction. Right, so f of a plus h, so every time we see x, we put the a plus h in it, so it's a square root of 3 minus 4 times quantity a plus h, right? And the minus square root of, then every time you see x, you put a there, so you have a 3 minus 4a, right? Then on the bottom is h, right? So as usual, we do this trick. When you have a difference of square root, then we're going to probably try to put square root of 3 minus 4 quantity a plus h plus square root of 3 minus 4a, right, over exactly the same thing. So I just copy that, 3 minus 4 a plus h and plus square root of 3 minus 4a. Alright, then if you multiply out, you're going to get h approaches 0 still, right? Again, I'm using a minus b times a plus b. And we've seen this trick quite a few times. Alright, so on top, you're going to get square of that, so it's going to be just 3 minus 4. I'm going to multiply out 4a and a minus 4h, right, minus square of that would be 3 minus 4a, right? And on the bottom we can't do really too much, so I'll just copy that down, h times quantity 3 minus 4a plus h plus square root of 3 minus 4a, right? Then you can cancel a bunch of things, and 3 and the minus 3 cancel out. There's negative 4a minus negative 4a cancel out. Right, then you can see that there's a negative 4h on top, so there's we can cancel h and h. So negative 4 is on top. Alright, so after you take the limit, h is going to go to 0. So this guy is going to go to 0. Right? So what you have is, let's see, we have negative 4 on top left, negative 4 over, alright, and the square root of 3 minus 4a plus square root of 3 minus 4a. So there are two of them, so it's addition. So 2 times square root of 3 minus 4a, right? So that's the f prime of a, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.